Welcome to the Gateway Conference Center, where the spirit of participatory democracy came alive on October 3rd and 4th, 2024, organized by the Alliance of Christian Churches in Namibia. Under the theme Enhancing Participatory Democracy, this event united diverse political parties and voters on one platform, fostering meaningful dialogue and understanding. Participants shared powerful testimonials, highlighting how the discussions empowered them to make informed decisions for the upcoming elections. With a commitment to continued engagement, all political parties agreed to further these initiatives, strengthening civic participation for a more vibrant democracy. Together, we build a future where every voice matters. Thank you for being part of this transformative event organized by the Alliance of Christian Churches in Namibia. Stay engaged, stay informed.
The point is that this meeting was quite informative in the sense that we are now well acquainted with the different manifestos, different political parties, and that actually opens up the scope for the voter to make informed decisions.
This is one of the events that is supposed to be repeating continuously. We should actually bring churches closer to politics and to the future as well, because churches have played an important role in helping Namibians to gain independence. So we should not really lose that focus and that touch. It should continue. And thank you so much for having organized this one. I know we will definitely support future events happening, and we will try to drive as many events as possible with you.
This moment of these 2 days is so important. I think it should not stop. You started in 2019. We have picked up on it. We have to continue. This is profound. This is prophetic. This is opening up for us not to be afraid of who we are, our political ideologies, and our political parties. I think those who are not coming are missing out.
We grow our democracy. We have 34 years into our democracy, and it's high time that all sectors begin to participate in enhancing our democratic experience as a nation. I really, I saw it as a very fruitful insight into the political minds of the aspiring leaders. I see myself as well informed. I can make a well-informed decision because I've heard it from the horse's mouth. We had the opportunity to interrogate their manifestos, their presentations, and to just get into their mind how they see different issues in the nation. And I really see it as something that will enhance our democracy. And I'm really looking forward to how this event will grow in the coming years to enhance our democracy. Very, very fruitful.
Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome, sir.